Okay students, in this video, first I will show you one very important question given in the board question paper, class 8 board exam question paper. This question, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 17, then find the value of x square minus 1 by x square. Or in one more question paper, question number 27, same type of question. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 7, then find the values of x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, see, these two questions are given in 4 marks question. So today we will see solution of that type of question. Okay, such questions are given in brain teasers. Question is, if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, this is x square term and you have to find value of x to the power 4 term, like this. Okay, so how you can convert x square into x to the power 4? How? If you write whatever is given and you take squares on both sides, okay, LHS side and RHS side, both side, if you will square, okay, if you will take squares on both sides, then it will be converted into identity 1, a plus b whole square. A is what? X square is a and 1 by x square is b. Okay, so a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. And you have taken square on RHS also. So 6 square is 36. Okay, now x square in the denominator and this numerator cancel out, only 2 is left. When plus 2 is transposed to other side, so it will become minus 2. Okay, and what is left? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is left because 2 has gone to other side. Okay, so this value of this term is 34. You got the answer. Find the value of this part. So you are getting, no? This answer is 34. Okay, similarly one more question. This is question number 8 of brain teasers. Okay, x plus 1 by x is equal to 8. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Again you can see this x is given and you have to find x square. How you will get value of this x square? If you will take square on both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. On LHS side you will put a square and RHS side also you will put a square. Okay, squaring both sides. Okay, same thing, same operation can be done on both sides when there is equal to sign, when there is equation. Okay, then this is identity 1, a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square and 8 square is 64. So x cancel out, only 2 is left. When 2 is transposed to other side plus 2, then it will become minus 2. Okay, so it is 62. So you are getting value of x square plus 1 by x square because 2 has gone to other side. Okay, similarly one more question. Value of a minus 1 by a is given 5. So taking square on both sides. Okay, this is identity 2, a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. A cancel. Okay, then this minus 2 will go to other side, it will become plus 2. Fine, it is 27. Okay, now this is just reverse. Value of square term is given and you have to find value of a. Okay, when value of square term is given and you have to find this a whose power is only 1, okay, then how will you get? You will not start from here, okay, because this is already a square. If you will take square on this, it will become a to the power 4. It will increase, okay, power will increase. So you will not take square here, you will start with this part only, okay, which is smaller in power, but it has only one part. it doesn't have RHS part. This is not LHS and RHS, only one part is there. So you will put square on this part only. Okay, a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then a cancel out. After that you will write a square and plus 1 by a square one side and plus 2 this side. Okay, when you will write this way, then you will certainly understand that value of this part is already given in the question. It is 23. Its value is given 23, so put its value. Now 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. Fine. Now this square will be removed. Okay, when it goes to other side, it will become square root. Okay, so a plus 1 by a is equal to under root 25 means 5. You were supposed to find value of this a plus 1 by a, and you got the value 5. Okay, same thing here. Value of square part is given 51, and you have to find value of this part. Okay, so you will start with the smaller part, smaller in power. Okay, so you write this part and take square on this. Okay, so a minus b whole square, so a square minus 2ab plus b square, x cancel out, and write x square and 1 by x square together and minus 2 here. Okay, after that this value of this part is given in the question. It's 51. Put here 51. The 51 minus 2 is how much? 49. Now this square will move on to the other side. When square goes to the other side, here it becomes square root. The square root of 49 is 7. Watch the video again and again and try to understand, because it comes in 4 marks question. Okay, in the beginning of the video I have shown you the question paper. You will again go back to those questions and you will solve those questions. Okay, thank you.